How does money move across borders? Ever sent money abroad and wondered how it gets there? Ever wondered how global banking transactions happen in seconds? It's all powered by SWIFT. There's a global system working behind the scenes that is called SWIFT. As of 2023, the SWIFT network processes a staggering 47.6 million messages per day. What is SWIFT? SWIFT is not a payment system, it doesn't move money directly. Instead, it's a secure messaging network that connects 11,000 plus financial institutions in over 200 countries. Before SWIFT, banks used telex, which was slow and prone to errors. SWIFT changed the game by creating standardized messages that banks use to instruct transfers securely and efficiently. How SWIFT works. Let's say you send $1,000 from New York to London. Your bank doesn't send cash directly, it sends a SWIFT message instructing the recipient bank to credit the right account. A SWIFT code is used to identify the exact bank and branch. SWIFT code is an 8 or 11-character unique identifier used to identify banks globally for secure international transactions. For example, SWIFT code for JP Morgan Chase New York is CHASUS 33XXX. First 4 characters CHAS denoting bank, which is JP Morgan Chase. Second 2 characters US denoting country, which is United States. Next 2 characters 33 denoting head office, location, which is New York in this example. Last 3 characters denote main branch, which is an optional 8-character code identifies the location. 11-character code identifies a specific branch. Sometimes, banks use intermediaries, correspondent banks, to complete the transfer. If the 2 banks don't have a direct relationship, the transfer goes through correspondent banks, which can add extra time and fees. Who owns SWIFT? SWIFT, Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, is not owned by any single government or private entity. Instead, it is a cooperative owned by its member banks, over 11,000 financial institutions across 200+ countries. SWIFT is headquartered in Belgium and is overseen by the National Bank of Belgium, along with oversight from major central banks like the Federal Reserve, USA, European Central Bank, ECB, and the Bank of England. The SWIFT Board of Directors consists of executives from leading global banks, ensuring it operates as a neutral entity. SWIFT fights back with faster, more transparent services. To stay relevant, SWIFT launched SWIFT GPI, which provides real-time, end-to-end tracking, improving transparency, efficiency, and enabling action on delays. The future of SWIFT remains strong despite the emergence of several alternatives and competitors due to various reasons. The first one is SWIFT's established network and trust. Second is its global standard for messaging. 3. Competitors like Ripple, XRP, CBDCs and domestic payment networks, blockchain-based networks, FedNow and RTP have limitations in terms of regulatory concerns, regions they serve and global interoperability. 4. SWIFT is adapting. And number 5. Regulatory and compliance advantage. Subscribe for in-depth analysis on SWIFT, real-time payments, and the future of cross-border transactions. Happy learning!